Hello guys, we've got November 2020, Peak District in Manchester, BMW Z4 3-liter manual. We're gonna get some exhaust sounds going. It's a full standard exhaust, nothing has been done to the car whatsoever. It's warmed up nicely, so we're gonna go through the revs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then give a few little more revs and you can hear how it sounds. Okay, cheers. That should do. So yeah, it sounds quite juicy, to be honest with you. Straight 6, 231 brake horsepower. Yeah, if you have done something to it, took the back box out, then it's gonna sound nice and rumbly, pops and bangs, whatever. I've seen one of those, sounds quite cool. Right, cheers guys, take care, bye bye.